Alright, so today we're looking at the Soundbar T400 from Samsung. I'm just going to unbox it. It's probably the basic one from all of them. Alright, so let's see what's in the box. We have the manual. So it's a 24-month warranty. Turn this around. Alright, so I've got it out of the box. Just trying to see how we can. Oopsie. Oh, there's the cord, the remote, and then a soundbar. Alright, so the T400 unbox, Samsung. Comes with a remote, you have a battery, you have a cord, and then if you turn it around, you have the charger, auxiliary, and of course also the digital audio output, input rather, and then of course the power gets plugged in there. It can be wall mounted. It's the basic one, as I said, but it's probably good enough for the for the usual just TV and whatever else you want to do with it. Oh, don't forget also it is also Bluetooth, so you can Bluetooth it to any device. Thank you for watching.